Limitations of fossil fuels. Let us talk about two important limitations. First one is limited availability and second one is air pollution. First one is limited availability. In this we will first have a look that it takes millions of years for the conversion of dead organisms into fossil fuels. And second thing, once they are used, they cannot be replenished themselves within a reasonable time. So if the resources are used at their present rate of consumption, they will last only for few more hundred years. After that we will not have any of the fossil fuel left with us. Second one is air pollution. Burning of fossil fuel produces gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and these gaseous products and smoke cause air pollution. When two important gases are released, that is sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide. Sulfur dioxide, while burning of fossil fuels, combines with rainwater to form sulfuric acid and it causes acid rain. This also causes corrosion and this also damage our monuments, and it also affects the health of the aquatic animals and to us also. Second one is carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas and it leads to the average rise in temperature and melting of polar ice caps. Now when the fuels are burned in incomplete combustion or in a scarcity of oxygen, they results in incomplete combustion, and when we inhale carbon monoxide, it combines with hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin. As a result, hemoglobin becomes unable carry oxygen to the body cells, which results in the death due to suffocation. Second one is soot particles enter our body while breathing and trigger cough, sneezing, respiratory problems. Both coal and petroleum are available deep inside the earth, and mining of coal or pumping out of petroleum create hollow spaces, which may result in collapse and leading to earthquakes. So we will left with the last topic only, that is conservation of fossil fuels. We will study this topic in the next class. Till then, you read this topic carefully. Thank you.